Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tech reviews. All the links mentioned in this video are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using GoMoWorld. In this GoMoWorld review, I'll share my experience using this innovative eSIM service, perfectly suited for travelers and digital nomads. GoMoWorld offers a global eSIM solution with flexible and affordable data plans for international travel. One of its standout features is the incredibly simple setup and extensive global coverage, making it a fantastic option for anyone needing reliable mobile data while abroad. Supporting over 100 countries, GoMoWorld provides seamless connectivity without the inconvenience of swapping physical SIM cards every time you cross a border. The biggest perk of GoMoWorld is the effortless activation of data plans directly on your device. No physical SIM is needed. Simply scan a QR code, and the eSIM profile installs instantly. This is a game changer for tech-savvy travelers seeking a quick, hassle-free way to stay connected on the go. GoMoWorld provides a diverse range of data plans catering to various travel styles and durations. Whether you need a short-term plan for a quick weekend trip or a longer-term option for an extended stay, they have plans to suit every travel need. The pricing is competitive, and data speeds are generally reliable, enabling smooth browsing, email access, social media usage, and even light streaming. However, it's worth noting that, like all eSIM providers, speed and coverage can fluctuate depending on the specific country and local network conditions you're in. GoMoWorld is designed for individuals who prioritize flexibility, convenience, and a streamlined user experience. It's an ideal solution for travelers, digital nomads, and anyone looking to bypass the hassle of purchasing and switching physical SIM cards in each new destination. Their customer support is responsive, and the overall experience is very user-friendly, making it a great choice even for those who aren't particularly tech-inclined. In summary, GoMoWorld is an excellent option for international travelers searching for a seamless and budget-friendly way to maintain connectivity on their adventures. If you're planning a trip and seeking a user-friendly eSIM service, check the description below for more information on GoMoWorld. I highly recommend giving it a try.